So, now that our starts off pretty weird. And if you actually drink it up, we're gonna, I used to drink the next stuff. Drink it like every day. Anyways, no fair. And she's gonna make us get us back. Why does it work to do at night? I don't my hair looks terrible at night.
That was killed at the least.
Yeah, how can you do that? Whoa. Okay, so yeah, I was like at the snack and I'm like making the food. Oh, that sounds weird. But yeah, making stuff for them. And no, really? They actually put on the floor. I don't know why you put it so bad. I don't even know. I keep my clothes. Oh wait, that's why. That's usually in my closet. You keep my clothes in your closet? My clothes. Okay. He's actually strong. Look. Yeah. Okay. What's this color you can't see? You're so hungry. I love the cat. Hyper. Right, you can't do anything. Please, perfectly. Forget it. Yeah. Hurry up! It's just like this was a
That should be very proud.
Okay. You should probably remember those times when we're all the same here because we're like, what the heck did you make? Oh, dear, that was... Don't make the snap. I won't get it.
Tomorrow? Wait, coming. That's right. I got a sword now, Bill.
Where's the light?
I found a quarter in my place in the gold mine.
Why did I smell it? Go away! Okay, you can't see me. It's okay. Oh, I thought I had it. Oh, sorry. But... Yeah, look,
you're actually going bowling?
It's not good.
It's getting easy. No, I had to go just hang out here in the lobby in my beautiful dress and full makeup, which took me an hour and a half to do. Okay, but it's just not wait until 9. I can't believe it. He really did forget our anniversary. Oh, this is so tragic. Sorry, are you getting this? No, he's really getting lonely. Oh, I saw him bang my head against the wall. Really, you pay no respect at all. Wait, that's not bad. In my fancy dress, you let me leaving me. In your folding shoes, heard you call that a date. I should've known this wouldn't work. You jerk. Wow, that's actually good. Yeah, her stories about deadbeat boyfriends are so much better when they're Sesame Music.
Time out. Jessie will be right back on Disney Channel. It was the perfect summer.
Can you believe this? I'm not going away. Summer's not over yet.
West Side Story. That's who we ever read. It's always summer and everyone just sings and surfs until one last wave took them to a place they never expected. Oh, my movie is West Side Story. Have fun. Now, something summer.
Oh, you are still down here.
Don't change it back. They'll never get out. Ross Lynch and introducing Maya Mitchell. The Disney Channel.
Where's Casey go? Upstairs.
On Disney Channel. Several times.
In the world.
Just sold out.
Oh, I said we're going to meet several times tonight. I meant it.
Mabel keeps her word.
This is it, girl.
Oh, come say it. Does she go too far? What's in the bag? Holy mackerel.
We should promise that to give two a pitch to them. And they will all board the freight train. Freight
Coming up next on Disney Channel. What you doing, little Mike?
Trying to be big like you, Dad.
When you start your day with a good breakfast with whole grain fiber, it helps you keep full and focused. Especially when you have some really big shoes to fill.
That's what it looks like.
It's a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
Yeah. Jessie, this is yours, dude. What? This is yours. Okay.
My dance is here.
2 words. Fast food. Let's not dancing, people.
Featuring all new tracks from the hit Disney Channel series, like This Is My Dance Floor. The Daya and Bella's Contagious Love. And Sean and Caroline's After Party. Check it out, iHeartDays. Available in stores and digital. And to preview more music from the soundtrack, check out DisneyMusicOnline.com. An all-new edition version. Something.
How come you threw a perfect banana away?
Kind of wild.
Wow, I did it.
And definitely unexpected. Can you make that sound? Wow! All new Phineas and Ferb. Tonight at 9:30, 8:30 Central on Disney Channel. Jessie and the Ross Kids are back on Disney Channel.
Hey, Jessie. Yes, I need some advice.
Oh, it's not about relationships, but I can't care.
Everyone knows that's Jessie. It's about Robbie. He's having a bump hard time in PE. More than usual.
So, help him out. I'm gonna make him feel good about himself while he's young. Once you grow up, life is nothing but disappointment, heartbreaks, and betrayal.
Okay. Oh, thanks. Jessie, cheer up. I have some great news.
Tony wants to dance in the bowling ball return?
No. I will upload the video of your angry song about Tony on Kitty Get 4. What? You posted my pain on the internet for everyone to see? That is unforgivable. But everyone loves it. Your song is a huge hit.
And you're forgiven.
Remember, never ever let your guard down, because you could be stabbed with back at any time.
Cheers.
Well, I have lived a full 11 years. Perhaps I shall be reincarnated as a doormat. That way, it doesn't look little bad. Who wants to make a rocket about it? I'll do it so pretty. And it's to be stealth from my own brother? Oh, woe is me! Why are they pounding their hands together like that? Are they warming up their fists to punch me? No! Bobby, the timing for you. I did not see this coming. Bobby Ross is the winner! I won?
No. Whoa.
And the viewers really are loving me. Arthur, check it out.
Jessie's song captures what it's like to be
Okay,
taken
is
for
this
granted
a-
by man,
no.
and step-by-step instructions for
It's way
more
too
invaluable.
That's my Taylor Swift.
Except for the money, sequins, awards, talent.
Why you guys not that?
I've been calling you all day. Why didn't you answer? Oh, what? Just because you're a man, I have to be your constant beck and call? No. Yes.
Well,
Be honest, I don't know what beck and call means. What do you mean? It's today. It was exactly 1 year ago we kissed in that teacup.
Here's a citation we got for
Oh,
just that.
yeah.
I know. I got the date wrong. You must be so mad at me. Why would I be mad for anything like that? That would be crazy.
Cinnamon?
Oh, crazy.
Honey? I want to try. I want to guess so she don't have to guess it all. I want to guess the main ingredient. Let me try.
And the other like a love killing machine. Director of Astropalooza, email me. It's amazing. Even better, she wants you to perform it tonight.
Pepper.
Merchandising cover. T-shirts, coffee mugs. Tell me about a doormat doll.
Okay, so it is,
I can feel my chest just melting away. And I forgot our anniversary. I can't sing the theme song. But this was a huge deal. A bunch of big time artists have been discovered there. You can be that. Well, and let me get this straight.
Oh, you
In order to get my big break, I publicly trashed my boyfriend. I'm not trying to be here. Anniversary?
I don't know what you're doing.
That's all.
You got
Like that. On Disney Channel. On
Banana? Yes. That's it? Yeah.
She's trying to turn my mind against you.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Exact homework help
Okay, dry. Oh, Jesus.